this is Bubbly Planet, and I am bringing you an update video. I have been gone for a couple of days. I went camping this past weekend, which is a lot of fun. Got to blow some pumpkins with 22 caliber rifles. Those of you who don't know what that is, it's a gun, shoots bullets, and it's a rifle. Plain and simple. So, this is my map here. It's called Battlefield Frontline Invasion. Now there's actually another version of this that's meant for territories, but that's not the point. So really, my point here today is to tell you guys about a brand new machinima that I am making. It is called the Resistance. Now, those of you who don't know what a machinima is, it's basically a movie or video game, a movie or video in a video game, using capture cards, not like this. I should be getting one for my birthday, which is actually pretty good. So, yep, so basically what this machinima is about is, military takes over the government and is turning the entire country into a anarchy. And so it's basically up to this team of about 4 to 5 people to try and bring back the military. Now, for those of you who decide not to subscribe, this video is for subscribers only. This video is not for anyone who can view this video. That's what I'm trying to say. But the rest of the videos that I'm going to be posting up, which tell you about the characters, the plot, and all that stuff, that's going to be only used to subscribers only. So if you want to get the inside scoop, you're gonna have to become a subscriber. Now, one of the cast members for this machinima, I will tell you, is John CJG. He's also known as Digital Fear. Those of you who don't believe me, I can get him to send me a message saying that he is, or I can get him on a video and talk with him about it, maybe. For those of you who don't really believe me, but honestly, he really is. And those of you who don't know who he is, he creator of the Army and the Chief series. So that's basically it. All this video is. I'm just showing you guys around the map. So that's basically all I've got for you guys today. Maybe I'll insert some awesome, funny pictures at the end of this video. I don't know. Maybe. Okay, yeah, sure, why not? I'll do it. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Especially if you decide you don't believe that Archangel or John CJG / Digital Fear is indeed in my machinima. Go ahead and comment. So thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I'll get another video out soon. See ya.